Hello everyone, Shantae here. I hope you guys are having a great day. So I wanted to come in and share with you guys. I got a chance to purchase the Anna Griffin, the Create 6th annual Create event, but of course this year is going to be at home due to the Rona. But I just wanted to share with you guys what I got in my box. We actually got two big boxes. What came in my box, and I am super excited because I want to experience the event, but they've always sold out, and then it's really expensive on top of that when you do it in person. Then it sells out really quick. But I was able to get one this year of the virtual, and this one was only I think $3.95. So the first thing that I got in the mail, it came in this nice manila envelope. It was a file folder, and it has in here, they personalized it with my name, telling us about the event, when my box is going to ship, how the itinerary is going to go, and what I needed to bring, which is just regular stuff. And what I liked about this, they told us what not to buy because she was going to demo some of this stuff on HSN on November the 2nd to make sure that we don't buy that because it was in our box. So that was really nice. I really like that. And let me try to show you the box. The box is big and huge. So this is in her print. Of course, it says 6th annual Create at Home event instead of being in person. Just absolutely beautiful. One of my boxes is busted on the side a little bit, but I don't care. I have no complaints because at least I got it. So this is her print. Both of them are just like this. And let me show you what's in the box. I don't think I'm going to be able to... Oh, this was in the box on top in this cellophane. And it just saying welcome, same stuff. And we get our pen for attending the event. And we did a trial run of how everything is going to be set up. And I hope, and I got a chance to talk to her, and I asked her to please consider doing these virtual, even after the virus is over with, for people like me who can't get a ticket or don't want to drive, all that kind of stuff. So a lot of people have asked that. So I'm hoping that if this one goes well, that she will actually do that, because that would be great. Now, normally I would have taken my vacation for Scrapbook Expo in Duluth. But because we did not have Expo this year, I took my vacation this week for the event. And so I will be in Georgia. So I'll already be in Georgia by the time this video loads. So I can get a break and create my projects in peace. All right, so here is one of the pouches. This is a it's make and take. Y'all gonna see all the mess, but it is what it is. This is a make and take pouch. So we're gonna do a bunch of make and takes. I'll come back and show you guys what I made. I'm not gonna take anything out because I will be the one to lose some stuff. Okay, get my tissue. Okay, here is one that is class 1. It's for some pop-out cards. So you see that big delicious die right there for the pop-out cards. All the paper and everything. Oh, I'm so excited. So one of my friends is going to be with me. So we're going to just have a good time. This is Ballroom slider cards. Oh, look like that's a dress. See, you got envelopes, paper. Look like it's another die in there too. But I'll show you that once we, get through. This It's the only thing that I could have lived without because I don't decorate. This is a class number 3. It says Kingston Home. I'm assuming it's some kind of decoration you can put on the outside of your door or inside or something. That's the only thing I don't care for, but that's just me because I'm too lazy to decorate. All right, I got 2 more that was in this first box. So let me put these back. And I love that all I have to do is take the 2 big boxes with me and just a little bit of adhesive for everything. This one is called this class is going to be a decorative layers class. And you see it got all that stuff, dyes and all that stuff in it too. For paper. Delicious. And then the last one that's in this first box is a vignette card. I'm sorry, y'all can't even see vignette card. So that's what this is. Making some vignettes. That's one of the dies that's in there. I'll be right back. I'm gonna swap out so I can show you the other box. Okay, everybody, I'm back with box number 2. This is an album class box. So we're gonna make some albums. Looks amazing. This one is called, this is going to be the Shutter card. This is class number 7. We're going to make some Shutter cards. Oh, and then the event is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday is going to be like a wrap-up where we're going to be able to go on and shop. They also provided us a link ahead of time. We wanted to buy like a machine or something before the event. I didn't buy anything off that event. I just decided to wait. So that's great. So you'll be seeing a haul from me more than likely. This one is called Rocking Christmas Cards. So that's what's in this one. This one don't have a whole lot, but this class number 8. Class, oh, okay, then we got what's a swag, what they call a swag bag, and it's just extra you know, die cuts, flowers, papers. Look like that's a sticker or a rub-on too. That's in that swag bag. And then this one is got papers, bows, a bunch of adhesive on the back of there. So yeah, so that's what we got. Well, what I got in my Anna Griffin Create at Home event. So like I said, I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited about being able to get a break and rest my mind some and create without somebody calling my name. So, all right, you guys, you have a blessed day. And I'll be back, hopefully, with some projects. And maybe I'll go deeper into the kit. But we'll see how that goes when I'm up there. Okay, bye, you guys.